Now what we're going to do is we're going to identify for whoever's looking at our web page what they're looking at. And so here's what we're going to do. Now there's two kinds of lists, and I'm going to show you both, but we're going to end up with one, and that's the one I want you to use. But we're going to be making a list, and the first one I'm going to demonstrate to you is on an unordered list, which is a UL, unordered list. Okay, oops. And then I'm going to go down and make a closing tag, so I don't forget. There we go. And it's going to say your unordered list is going to be the images are as follows, colon, just like that. Okay. Now, this one what we're going to do is make bullets, and for bullets and numbering it's the same thing. It's a list tag, so it looks like this, LI, and then then you want, of course, you want the closing tag, which is same thing, /LI. Okay, and again, I'm going to be lazy, make it fast and easy. I'm going to go copy, paste. And so there we go. Here's our list. So the first one is, we're going to say Apple is a .jpg file. Oops, spell it right. Okay, and then here we'll say, now watch this, I just want to show you something interesting. I don't think there's going to be a, we'll see if it matters here. Goblet is a .gif file. And Big Ben, it doesn't matter if there's a space here because it's actually a text, it's not a file name, is a .ping file. Alright, so I'm going to save, come back over here, hit refresh. You can't see it, but it's down here. Now, notice a couple things. First of all, these are bullets, so these are bulleted. And if you look back over here, notice that there is one space right here, two spaces right here, and no space here. But look over here, doesn't matter, doesn't recognize it. It does recognize the spaces after the first character, after the A or the G or the B. But prior to that, notice it doesn't really care. Now, as I said, I would prefer this to be a numbered list since we have our pictures numbered, as you can see. So what I would like you to do is not to do UL, but to do OL, which means ordered list. And look how fast we can change our list here. So I'm going to save, Control S, and watch the list. Hit refresh. Notice now it's a numbered list, 1, 2, 3. Haven't changed the LI tag, okay? So that's kind of an interesting and quick way of doing bullets or numbers.